I'm in the house. I go by the name of Marco the entrepreneur. Yeah. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Oh, by the way, guys, I've got a giveaway. Not a giveaway.
Got a gift.
I've got a gift for somebody.
Shit.
I've got a gift for somebody. It goes by the name of Alex.
Let's go.
Anyway, guys, so Alex obviously helped me. He's been helping me with my withdrawals. He's been really good to me, good friend. And yeah, man, I just decided to gift him, man. So I'm gifting him a Rolex.
Yeah! Let's go!
Yeah.
Dubs in the chat! Dub. Who else doesn't like that?
So here we are.
Who else doesn't like that?
A Rolex, baby.
That's cool, baby. Yo, my ears so bad.
So let's take the box out. And there we go.
No way! This is sick!
Day Green Dow.
Let's go!
Day Green Dow. There you go, my brother.
Holy!
There
Look
you
at
go,
this
man.
thing,
There you
bro.
go.
Oh my gosh! Dubs in the chat! Dubs in the chat! Let's go!
There you go.
Dude, this is so sick, bro. Wait, no, show this to T. T!
My water. Just you'll have to. I think you have to adjust the.
Yeah, we'll have to get the links out.
But put it on. Let's see what it looks like.
Yo, this is so cool. This is sick, bro. This is proper.
And then
You've been shaking.
He's not shaking.
He's shaking.
I'm saying Valentine's money is coming. The invoice, I've got everything. So if there's any issue, the warranty card is there, but I've also got it on email.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah. So warranty on that. Whew! Gotta show the people. Come show the people that.
I need to get a few links out. Yeah. Oh my god.
Only on the wrist, baby.
Let's go. And mine, Marco. Thank you, guys. Holy. This is sick, eh? This is a really good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is amazing, bro.
Remember, I've got the white gold.
Yeah.
I've got the platinum. That's the rose gold.
This is amazing.
So that's they.
I need close it properly. You keep it hard.
I have to get it adjusted.
Yeah, the adjustment is fine. But... Oh my.
Yeah, but you have to get it adjusted.
Oh my. Let me go show Mikhail. It's card and shit. What card?
Cards are inside there. The warranty card and stuff.
We are with.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh my gosh.
Newbies who don't know anything. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so you didn't know that this is a warranty card. Crazy.
How much that cost, Marco?
Don't matter how much it costs, man.
This is big.
I promised you. I did promise you already, so.
You did. You promised me a hot plate too, guys. Don't forget the hot plate.
You once made about hot plate. That's crazy business. Not like but
Doing it, show this to quickly Mikhail. Mikhail is going to be shocked this year. Yeah, he's going to look at it. No way!
Anyway, guys, back to business. Back. Yo, gold's buying, eh? Hey, but gold's dizzy nowadays, eh? Marco, when am I getting mine? Guys, honestly speaking, Alex has been good, man. Alex has been a good friend. Plus I didn't get him anything for his birthday. So I did promise him a Rolex. I promised him a Rolex, and I've been holding back. Not that I've been holding back. It's just that I didn't find anything that I really like for him. And when I saw the they just the store, I was like, yeah, let me pick that up. Mark, on Friday, you gave us a signal, then you just left before price dropped. And yesterday, my trade peaked at 147K. Almost had a heart attack. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Marco, what glasses are those? These are Cartier. Can focus. Anyway, they Cartier. They Cartier. Ugh. So the reason I actually got Alex the Rolex is because he saw mine, and I have a platinum white dial. Well, not green dial, but right, platinum. So there's white gold and there's platinum. So I have the platinum one, and I saw how much he wanted to wear it, and I saw how much he admired it. So that's why I went and got him a green dial but in rose gold. He likes gold. He likes gold. So yeah, and didn't have gold, so I got him rose gold. Anyway, yeah, man. What? So let's analyze, guys. Let's analyze. Let's do a top-down analysis before 4 o'clock. Let's go. All right. So here we are. Right? Here we are. We are on a daily time frame. Let's mark out the high and the low of the 4-hour candle. So let's mark that out. I was looking bearish for the day then. Those that did the scalping strategy, how was that? We did the scalping strategy on Friday, and I saw some results. Guys, that was like 2 days. A few guys practiced for the weekend, and they just crazy. It was just crazy. Like, but come out, guys, come out. Don't be shy. Come out. Tell everybody how it was. I know some guy made what? He took a trade on Monday. Yesterday? He took a trade yesterday using the scalping strategy, and he clocked in what 5,000 round. You guys are missing out. That strategy is fire, and I haven't seen it anywhere. I haven't seen it around anywhere. Yeah, no, it is. It's proper. It is fire strategies. Yeah, indeed. It's really very simple to get. Mm. Are we buying or selling? It looks like we are going to be buying. Probably going to be buying this high over here. I am taking students again this Friday. I am taking students again this Friday. Yeah. So it looks like we're definitely going to probably be buying this high. When laugh out loud, when I said the scalping strategy was fire, people thought I'm joking. No, I mean, remember, nobody was really clued up on it. Now they are. Bro, the scalping strategy is crazy. I'm picking up some serious movement. That's what you're gonna get though. Like you must remember that the scalping strategy basically is for scalping. So the scalping strategy is 2750, but it's going up. It's going up end of this month to 3950. So it was just an opening special at 2750 till the end of this month, and then in going into March, it's going to be 3750. So it's up 1,000 rand. What's the scalping strategy? Ask the people in the chat. Guys who are praising it. It's so basically it's a strategy that allows you to get certain confirmations that you need in order to take a trade. And when all the there it is that scalping strategy is pure gold. I only work my 9 to 5 1 day a week. Then it's the scalping strategy. Nice one. But so basically the scalping strategy is a strategy that aligns everything. So when everything aligns perfectly, it has a 90% win rate. Like on the reason I say 90% win rate is because on news days it can be a bit faulty. Strategy is insanely simple, but you need Marco's coaching to get it right. You do, and that's why I teach it, because you see, that's the thing. A lot of people, not only confirmation, but snipers too. I've been catching snipers one way nonstop. Yeah. But that's the thing. You must remember that I don't want to get. I obviously don't want to break the ice here and oversay. But at the end of the day, those who did it on Friday, you understood that once all the confirmations lined up, it was a goner. You get me? Like once all the confirmations lined up, it's gone. That's the trade. You can't miss that trade. That's like a 90% win rate. You understand? And the reason I say it's a 90% win rate is because that 10% is like when there's news and when there's big events, and sometimes it goes haywire. But on a normal day, nah, you're gonna catch the moves. You're definitely gonna catch the move. Look, some news events, like NFPs, I've caught some massive moves. You understand? Massive moves. When will the next lesson be? This Friday. This Friday we have the next lesson. Yeah. I'm already half full though. I only take 10 people in. Last week we took 20 people. Oh my gosh, it went nuts. We had 24 people in the class, guys. 24 people. Normally I just take 10. So far we have 6. With scalping strategy, you get guaranteed profit. The scalping strategy is transparency to the T. Yeah. Like that's the thing. Once you get that, like once you get the confirmations, guys, it's a done deal. Like if we're gonna be honest, it's a done deal. Okay, let's see the 5-minute candle. There we go. Okay, so let's mark out the high. and the low, and let's see when we can get. Oh, no wick, nothing. Yeah, there's a wick. Oof. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see this 5-minute candle close. That's what I want to see. I want to see the 5-minute candle close and take it from there. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, they're loving it.
Bro, this is so sick! Guys! Come on, man. Who would do this for you? Oh my gosh.
I also told them that I didn't get your birthday present, so.
Oh.
And I promised you I'll watch.
Nice.
How much is it going to cost for the next lesson? It's 2750. Whew. Ooh, this candle's dropping. They want to come sweep this liquidity. Alex with the content, obviously.
Good. Box is staying on that.
Let's see. Closing in 2 minutes. I think this candle's going to do much until 1 minute. So it's settling here. There's our 1 minute candle. Let's see if we can run this 15-minute liquidity. Okay, until 5 minutes. Wait for this candle to close. You paid last week, but your payment only came in on the weekend, so you'll be added to this week's class. I can't give you a link without payment reflecting, unfortunately. Guys, you must remember that if you're going to pay for the scalping strategy, you only need about 100 rand, give or take, about 100 rand to make some money. You don't need crazy amounts. You really don't. Come to take this liquidity here. You understand? You really don't need that much money. No, we don't have confirmation. How are you going to enter now? Need to wait for this candle to close. Oh, they're going down. Okay, they're just rejecting the block. Let's see. Getting no direction here. We're looking for a breakout. A breakout to either the higher side or the lower side. So those who know, this is how we take the trade. So if we go higher, and we want to bounce up. And if we go lower, then we want to bounce down. Let's see how that goes, though. That saw was fire on Friday, bro. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to say. And funny enough, those in the scalping strategy would have caught that move. I showed them how they would have caught that move. would have caught it right from the top. Yeah. We swept this liquidity, so we're most likely to go higher. That's in the strategy. What's in the strategy? Guys, the scalping strategy basically gives you a hit on a trade with multiple confirmations. And when all the multiple confirmations line up, it's a done deal. Michael Grisini, what is your take on automation trading, bot trading, GUC? We never keep up with the algorithm. It's too slow. Way too slow. Do I only trade on live accounts? What do you mean? Prop firms or
live? Yeah. You trade live on.
No, I don't do prop firms. That's what you. I do. I trade live accounts. I don't know about
Live, baby, live.
I do live accounts. I don't do prop firms. So I'm gonna start though. I'm gonna try a prop firm. No moving averages in the strat. Do you only trade one live account? No, I don't. I trade multiple live accounts. Different accounts have different amounts. So, excuse me, if you look at this one has so these are the live accounts. So, yeah. It's not the chart that's slow, it's the stream that's slow. Was that 13M? Yes. I basically use the trading account as like my bank account. Pretty much. That's how much I trust the broker, guys. Like I know what I'm talking about when I tell you that these guys have everything in line, like everything. Like space markets, their licensing is to the T. I've seen it personally, to the T. So I trust them full-heartedly. Like I know if I want to withdraw 400,000, they'll pay it out. If I want to withdraw 200,000, they'll pay it out. If I need 100,000, I do a withdrawal less than 24 hours. I've got my money, so I'm good. No need to go to the bank and no need to use my banking app. I'll just use my trading account like a crypto account. It works for me. It's like having a crypto account. It works. It's exactly the same thing. It's like having a Bitcoin account. You understand? Especially when you do express payments. When you do express payments with space markets, man, it's 5 minutes. 10 minutes, you've got your money. I'm not even kidding. Like, yeah, I know. So will space markets even give that out? 100%. Remember, no, it's not like I'm going to do a 30 million withdrawal. right? It's not that I'm going to do a 30 million rand. You do a 200, you do a 300. The same way I was doing it before, you know? Like, remember, guys, when I was, with my smaller account, I was doing the same thing. Like, you know, I'll show you here. That's a Space Markets website. So let's plug in here. And then I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So let's say, not buying yet. We have no confirmation yet. So if we look over here and I go to my payments, withdrawals, and then I go down, and I go withdrawals, and I go to the amount of 20. So like I said, you know, you're using it as like a bank account. So there you can see there's multiple withdrawals, you understand? So if I want 500,000, I'll withdraw 500,000. If I want 70,000, I'll withdraw 70,000. If I want 1.4 million, I'll withdraw 1.4 million. You get me? So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. If I want 700 rand, you can see right there was a 700 rand. I want 700 rand, I withdraw 700 rand. If I want 48,000, I want 79, 75, 50, 25, 38, 22, 174, 131, 12 rand. Oh, sorry, 120 rand, not 12. 120 rand. 12 rand. I was like, what? 12 rand. 120 rand, 30,000, 28,000. It's so you just withdraw whatever basically what you can just withdraw like. So if you have 13 million in your account and you want to withdraw 500,000 this week, then you withdraw it. If you want to withdraw 200,000 next week, withdraw it. Understand? It's like a bank account. Like it's really it's that simple. Like I don't know, man. You just got to, you know. I feel like you see when a broker's registered and they've got the FSC licensing and everything, guys, there's not much it can do. It can't run. It really can't run. It has no way to run. Like these brokers that aren't licensing themselves and they aren't licensed in general, they're the type to pack up their bags and leave because there's no trail. Whereas with the guys who are licensed, no, there's no way. There's no way. And they've got liquidity providers and they've got A-book traders. No, man, come on. Like it's an A-book broker. You get me? When you licensed, you become an A-book broker. You basically send live trades to a live market, which your liquidity provider actually does. So your LP basically sets off your trades for you. So you become a third party as a broker. All the money, must remember, guys, that money doesn't come from the broker. They send it over to the liquidity provider, and the liquidity provider then pays you. Or it pays the broker and then the broker pays you. That's why it actually takes so long, because what happens is your trade goes through to the LP. The LP then sees how much you've made, pays the broker, and only then does the broker pay. Is Glizzy a billionaire?
Who's asking that? Hey, stop watching other people's pockets and watch your own pocket.
There right. You heard it. I can tell you that the accounts are fat.
Yeah? Good, these guys, eh? Why are you pocket watching?
I'm telling them that one thing I can tell you is the accounts are fat. I mean,
yeah, we all know it's fat, bro.
No, but what I'm saying is, what I'm telling them is like,
we approve this type of withdrawals like no problem every day. We do
No,
like
100%.
yeah.
But what I'm saying is, like, I mean, I got a 1.1, I got a 1.5, 1.4 million rand withdrawal. So I know what I know. You get it. I know. But what I'm telling them is like, I've got this massive account, and they're like, oh, how do you know that you're safe, bro? Like once a broker's registered, their license, they're not going anywhere. They can't run, bro. They can't run.
Yeah. No, yeah. Once you registered, and especially your ODP regulated,
No,
it doesn't matter how much the withdrawal comes in. If the client, like I mean, the trader himself, haven't broken any terms and conditions, that's when you sign up to a brokerage, like gap trading, scalping, and all of those things, you can't deny the withdrawal. We have to approve it regardless. Yeah, I am happy. I'm so happy, bro. You don't understand.
So how long does it take for withdrawal? Space markets. Express 5-10 minutes. How long?
Hey,
Express withdrawal? How long? 5 minutes, 10.
express withdrawal.
10 minutes?
No, sometimes too. Depends how busy we are. So if it's the longest you will wait is like 30 minutes.
The longest there we go, 30 minutes. Does Alex ever trade, bro? Or he's just there for the value? Yeah, he takes a trade here and there. He's waiting to take a trade now.
I trade. I trade. I
He
trade on
does.
my own.
He
Like
does
I
trade.
do.
He's got a trading account.
I got like multiple trading accounts. I got prop firm accounts as well.
Do you have any idea why something market?
When's the veracity markets like 2 years ago? What are they talking about?
I had nothing to do with it, by the way. Everybody was saying that I was the one who shut them down because I had some big withdrawals from them. Some massive withdrawals from them. But no, why do some brokers take 7 working days? They're clearly not registered. They need to make their money. When you registered, your withdrawal shouldn't take that long. When you're with a registered broker, your withdrawal shouldn't take that, because once it goes through to the liquidity provider, it automatically, you must remember that when your trade goes through, the LP registers it immediately, right? Right. And after that they say, okay, fine, this withdrawal came this withdrawal came in, we're about to pay it out. This withdrawal came in, we're about to pay it out. They already know how much you're withdrawing. They already know that. So most of the time you only get slippage in news events, eh? Hey, Lujanda, you will get slippage in news events. It's not even us, it's the LP. It's the LP, it's not even the broker. Do you know that the broker doesn't open up spreads? Did you know that? Did you know that the broker doesn't open up spreads? It's the LP, your liquidity provider. It's actually crazy that the broker is literally just a third party. You're just running off of their database. You understand? They're like a third party. You're basically trading under them. But at the end of the day, like bro, don't come here firing up Alex. So basically when when you trigger a trade, that automatically goes from the broker, right, whose platform you're using, because the liquidity provider doesn't have platform. So you using a broker's platform to execute the trade. When the execution goes off, it automatically goes to the liquidity provider. Your LP automatically gets that trade. The broker can see it, right? But if anybody's opening up spreads, it's your LP. Your LP opens up spreads. You understand? Your LP is if I lose a trade, do the brokers get they get a percentage from it. They do. They get a percentage. You must remember they get a percentage of everything made for the day, whether lost or won. They get a percentage of that, whether it's 5%, whether it's 7%, they get a percentage of that every day from the LP. So what a lot of brokers do, right? If any Ricardo was here listening to this cake. What cake? So, like, you must remember that. So this is how it basically works, right? Let's say you open up an account and you're doing a 1 to 300, right? Right? And you're doing a 1 to 300, okay? Then the broker's basically saying, listen, we'll give you 300 to 1, right? When you become a that's why some people can't open up anything more than a 1 to 200, because that's all the liquidity provider is willing to give. You get me? So that's how it works. So let's say the liquidity provider is doing a 1 to 500, right? They're willing to give you 500 to 1, right? Remember that you're basically buying credit. That's all you're doing. You're buying credit. So the broker is saying, okay, cool. Listen, liquidity provider, how much can we do on this trade? Oh, we're willing to do a 500 to 1 maximum. Minimum, we're willing to do a 100 to 1. You get me? It has nothing to do with the broker. Your liquidity provider, the guy who's providing the money, right? Who's the backbone of the broker, right? That person says, listen, we're willing to do accounts nothing higher than a 1 to 500. That's why when you open up an account, you can only open up an account that is a 1 to 500, because the broker won't give you anything more, because the LP will not do anything more. Okay? So if the LP says, listen to the broker, listen, we're willing to do contracts, right? We're willing to do contracts, but we're only willing to provide a 500 to 1. That's the maximum, right? That's the maximum we're willing to do, right? And then you get some brokers, you get some brokers who will tell you, listen, we're only willing to do a 300 to 1, because, right, the liquidity provider said, listen, we can only do a 300 to 1. You get me? So that's basically how a broker works. Right? No, we want to break out, guys. These are small moves, man. Forget about these moves. These are small moves. You wanna catch the nice move. There's going to be a nice move that's going to be happening at like 5 or something. Open your own broker. So the thing is that when you there's a lot of admin to open up a broker, guys. You don't just go, oh, Mark, open up a broker. No. There's a lot. There's there. You know, if I'm gonna open up a broker and run away the next day, that's an easy one. You get me, right? That's a very easy one. You just open up a broker and you fund it. It's very easy, right? But at the end of the day, you're still gonna be doing a white label. So it's not like you can just run away, right? But what I'm trying to say is that when you want to do something, do it right. And I feel like, yeah, do it right. Do it right. There's no confirmation, guys. What, like, guys, this is just a 5-minute candle. Look at that. A 5-minute candle. And we got nothing from that 5-minute candle. So, be patience. Be patient. Michael, why don't you trade USD though? I mean, I don't know. I just feel like I'd rather trade in my currency. You know, it just makes no sense. We wanna. There has to be a breakout, guys. Can't take a trade without a breakout. There's no way. What is the confirmation you're looking for? A breakout of this range. Then we can start targeting the 50-minute lows and highs. See here. This is what we're going to be targeting. This liquidity here. That's what we're going to be targeting. This and that. That's what we're targeting. Have I ever bought a prop firm account? No. I don't know. I just prefer trading with my own capital, guys. Just I don't know, man. Like I want what's mine to be mine. Like if I've got 10 million, it's mine. Like it doesn't belong to anybody. It's mine. Like whatever happens to it, it's mine. So whereas with man, there's rules and regulations, and the broker wants to take 70% and this and that, and I'm just like, nope. I want all the money. I'm greedy like that. I want all money. Like if I make 30 million, I want 30 million. I want to be able to get 30 million. Not you take 30% of my 30 million. No. How long did it take me to become profitable? I would say roughly 6 months with no life. Yeah, guys, if you're gonna trade like this, you're just gonna be there's no confirmation here, so you're just gonna be going up and down, up and down. Rather wait for price to do this. So I feel like the best move would have been at 330. That's always the best move. But 430 is also still fine. So you see, had we gone to 330, let me show you guys something. So had we gone to 330, See, so if you took the 5-minute candle on 3:30, so after the 3:30 candle on 5 minutes, there's the 3:30 candle. So what you would do is you would mark out the high and the low. So there's your 3:30 candle. 3:30 candle. And then into that. And we'd want to break out in 1 minute. So 3-minute candle. So you see, that would have been your 5-minute candle, right? And then look what price does. Price rejects this level. The breakout came over here. But you see, you didn't get an entry. You didn't get the entry. There was no entry. There was no entry here. There was no entry. There's no entry here. That's what I love playing around on a main order block. Just makes so much sense. 15-minute main order block. Like, let me show you guys something. See here? This is the opening candle, right? This is the opening candle. There. So your first order block. Look what happened. After always works, man. First order block. One. First order block. Gone. So remember, price opened up over here, 1 o'clock. Price pushed up, created the order block. Price comes into that order block and it takes off. I've never seen you trade. You've never seen me. That's crazy. Clearly, it's the first day here. Must be your first day. Must be your first day. Yeah, you see, so again, look at that. 23, there's your main order block. But this, your gold's just ranging, eh? There's no moves on gold. Oh, gold is just ranging, guys. No, but it looks like we had a breakout here. Hold on. No. Oh. Okay, we might break out. Let's see. Thought an OB is a swing point. No, man. A swing point is that. That's a swing. This is a swing point. An OB is not that. An OB is that. That's an OB. Is there a Coke?
For what?
Something to drink.
Ah, I really drink. Yeah. What do you want?
What is it? Yeah, Coke. Oh, look, you could say that, but I mean, there's an order block here, guys. But let's see. It's a 1 minute order block, so it's not the end of the world. But you'd be shocked at what a 1 minute order block can do. My stop loss would go above my high or below my low. So I can't exactly tell you what an order block is, or I can't explain to you what an order block looks like, or an actual order block, because then that's part of the scalping strategy. So it's a bit more than just a resistance level or a support level. There's something people say it's the last down candle, which is actually false. It's not. There's certain criteria that an order block leaves, almost like the footprint of the market that it leaves, so you know that it's an order block. Like you can't not know it's an order block because you can differentiate between every last down candle, every last up candle, right? So we can definitely tell what an order block is, what the criteria is for an order block, right? And what certain, right, order blocks, yeah, so, and what certain order blocks, okay, there we go. Oh, do 5 o'clock move. 5 o'clock move. Now, depending on where this candle closes, this becomes an order block.
Yeah, I hope you won't be
30 seconds, this becomes an order block. What we'll do is we'll take a trade at this level and we'll look at running these highs at liquidity. So hold on. And that is a 14-1. That's insane. But automatically that low gets protected, so you can put it below that low. Otherwise, we can do let's do a 3-2-1. So we'll put it below this low. And then target this high. So you must remember different OBs do different things. That's what people don't understand. An OB that sweeps liquidity is a very strong OB. An OB that comes off of a swing point is a very strong OB. An order block like this, not so strong. price may not even come back to that level. You get me? So if you, right, if you want to understand, right, then you need to understand what's obviously taking place, right? So when an OB comes off of a swing point, it is by far the strongest order block. Okay? It is the strongest order block. When an OB comes off of taking or sweeping liquidity and then forms a swing point, it's even a stronger order block, right? So you must understand these, right? We'll enter here, right? But you can test the waters at this fair value. So remember that if we're going to look at structure, it's telling you everything you need to know. So what is structure telling you? It's telling you that, listen, we've broken above this high now. So price to come back and retest it. Get me? So a retest of this level, right? You good? So retest of that level, but you see the confirmation already came. There it comes. Test the water a little bit here. So let's go. We should get another test in here. Let's see. This order block will still hold. Should. Let's see. Watch how price breaks that OB. Let's see. You see, this is how I can tell you don't know how to trade. This is how I can tell that you don't know how to trade. Because price will come into this OB, right? Now, remember, the confirmation was already here. One break of structure, two breaks of structure. First one was a test, price went up. Second one's going to be a test for price to go up. First one was a break of structure right over here. Price came back and tested that break of structure. Next break of structure is over here. You can clearly see you don't know how to trade. Hey, newbies. I'm talking to someone who's made 13 million from 100,000 earned. Are you serious? Are you serious? Like, crazy. So it looks like it's testing this level. Broker statement. Oh no, I got one better for you. Oh, you want a broker statement? I got one better for you. I got one even better for you, my boy. Even better. Let me plug you. I'll plug you quickly. Let me plug you. Okay. Let me go into accounts. Go into done. Draws. Let me plug you. Oh, I'm not done. Wait. There's plenty more where that came from. Should I continue? How many more do you want to see? Oh, people. With a test account. You can't withdraw from a test account. What? Wow. People need to be schooled. How do you withdraw from a test account? Oh wow. Oh wow, I'm Daniel. Oh no. That's crazy. That's some Delulu type of shit right there. Hmm. Hmm. You just got schooled. Why? Because there's another level over here. How did you get schooled? Like, plus there is no confirmation yet. We need a buy candle to go up regardless. That candle, that's the candle we want. Let that candle break above here and we can enter. Yeah, you're changing your story. How? How is someone changing their story, bro? When our stop was over here and you were like, oh, it's gonna break right through. Break right through where? Because there's an OB versus an OB. There's two OBs. There's no confirmation yet. Here's your confirmation will come. You removed the OB. This was the first OB. We didn't even get a confirmation from here. What is this guy on? Hey, this guy clearly. There we go. That chop was talking. Look at that. We already. It's still no confirmation. We can break above that level. See. Still no confirmation yet. But yeah, they small buys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's where that. It's fine. Let's see something. Account gone. Whose account? Whose account? Mine. My account. My account's gone. Mine. Okay. Nobody took the trade. There was no confirmation. But we're gonna get confirmation now. Ugh, bloody hell. Mm. Mm. Yes, Shaq. Tell them, tell them. But let's get. Oh man, I just want to break out of. Can we just get a breakout with one candle? One candle. Let it be this candle. Yeah. Breakout, breakout. Just break out. Oh my word. Ugh. Some people clearly don't know what an uptrend is. Uptrend. Uptrend. Price going higher. Higher. See? Higher. Shame. These boys will get schooled. I don't know about you, but we making money here. Yeah. I'm just saying. I'm gonna close 100K. Oh, we almost there. There we go. Let's go, baby. Carter doesn't know how to trade, guys. It's as simple as that. He clearly is a demo trader, and there's nothing wrong with it. That's his personal trade for the session already. Huh? Really? That's crazy business. I give up. How is that can you see where I entered? How is that? People will talk, eh? Because I understand structure. Because I understand structure. It doesn't matter about your OB. Because once price breaks highs and lows, we understand structure. We understand structure. A break. Oh, I'm gonna block the guy quick. Oh, you want to block him? Yeah, you've been irritating. You know the one. No, I want to take him on. Why? No, this guy. He's a lighty. I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna bring on it. Tell him to talk about it. Yeah. But that's how you do it. Yeah. Okay. I know how to block people now. Yeah, yeah.
If people are being nasty,
Just
we
block
block
them.
them.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a positive environment.
Who
We
was
support each other.
nasty? What did you say?
Some cartel guy.
Some guys
What
just
did he
being
say?
nasty.
No, he was just like, oh no, this trade's not gonna work out.
Like, it's the thing is, we're here to be positive. We support each other. You know, what I mean?
Yeah,
Yes, there's free speech, but we're not here to talk down on anyone.
The
You know what
top
I'm saying?
down nonsense.
Yeah, I don't like talk down on people. Like we support. If someone else, you must remember, sitting in this chair already takes a lot. Number one,
100%.
and then when you're behind the keyboards, it's easy to pick on someone and be negative and bad. Okay, but they don't understand something that to be here already sit in front of almost 300 people takes a lot. So we want positive people. We're not saying that when we take a loss or be positive or and just all good things, but I mean like positively we train it's risky. We need intellectual. You need to think properly. I mean,
100%.
yeah, like you come to market to make money. So, but we need to do it intellectually, respectfully as well. Yeah, so we're building a good community, not
Yeah.
bashing each other, breaking each other down.
No, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but have a good time.
Structure, guys. Structure, you see? Structure. I'm gonna enter again. I don't know about you. Mm, see if we can get an entry here. If we do get an entry here, we must target this high. Let's see if we can get an entry. You must remember that there's always something pulling price down and there's always something pulling price higher. So here we can clearly see that that fair value gap was pulling price down. This order block is now going to push price high. Yeah, no, definitely. It's fine. As guys, as much as I'm buying, we don't have confirmation to buy. Remember that. We don't have confirmation to buy. As much as I'm buying, we don't have confirmation to buy. I'm risking it all. I didn't. I closed the ones that were just slightly in profit because I was going to go for a better entry. But now, yeah, it's a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, now that I know how to block, ish, I'm gonna have fun. Okay, let's enter. Come back in. Come back in. Come back in. Let's see. Let's see if we can we get a break. There's not anything really pushing price lower now. But remember now that liquidity. It's very there's liquidity. Don't trust this market. One, it is very noisy. No, man, there's nothing like a stupid question, guys. Come on. Yeah, they wanted to take that liquidity. I'm scalping, guys, yo. See? Today, I'm scalping. No confirmation, guys, so we can't just take a full on blown trade. Gotta get confirmation. I want to see price break above one of these blue candles. Otherwise, I can't take a trade. I can't let you guys take a trade if price doesn't break above one of these candles. It doesn't make sense. I'm slow. I'm closing 4,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 4,000 rand, 5,000 rand, 4,000 rand. I'm not at 102. I was at 73. When you scalp, few seconds. Yeah, this south side liquidity looks juicy for them. But I mean, so guys, see a lot of people, Marco, how do you know when they break structure? So basically, guys, it's more like a breaking of order flow. So think about it like this. If this is order flow, right? If this is price going down, then you want all the down candles to be violated for confirmation. So all the candles went down and then the candle went up. That's why I'm saying this candle that went down would be confirmation. Because that's a set of new order flow. Whereas this was a set of new order flow. That, and then that, and that, and then that. So as the candle goes up and down, up and down, up and down, that's order flow. They're gonna see. So if we can get a break above this level, then that's an 100% confirmation. But I mean, there we go. Looks like price might push up from here. Let's see. I mean, it is, but remember now, this alone is structure. But it doesn't mean that price can't break out of this level to go higher. With me. But this market is slow. But I mean, I'm coming in with the small ones here and there. Okay, there we go. I'm not really doing much, but Yeah, once price comes off of this level, I would say 50% of that order flow would be an entry. Okay, there we go. They're the scalps. There we go, baby. Yep. Guys, scalping is so fun. How did you get taken out? Good. We're beginning another entry. Man, go lower. Oh, beautiful. Go. Yeah, that's why we're just scalping them. I'm literally just scalping them. No, I wanted to break this order flow. Because remember, right? Remember that the reason they took this low is because they couldn't take this high. So if they can take this high, then this low gets protected. Let's go. Really? Really? See, just get in and out, guys. Like what I'm doing here. See, in and out. There's a trade running. You make a quick 8,000 rand, close it. Get in, make another 8,000 rand, close it. It adds up, eh? We have no confirmation to buy. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'll close this one at they don't want to close above that candle because they know if they close above that candle, it's a done deal. Mm. Buying, my bias is very much bullish though, but you know, see what I'm talking about. There we go. See, now we're in at the 10,000 range. So what I'll do is I'll close this, or you leave this running and you open another one as price goes lower. So now as price goes lower, you open another one. So you leave one running so it can hold your equity. No, it's a very strong level. That's why they're doing that. It's a very strong level. They know if they break above that level, it's over. Which means it automatically means that this low is protected. They can't come lower than this low. Oh, there they go. Well, if this candle can close above that level, which I highly doubt, that would be confirmation. Yeah, they don't want to close above it. Trading is, yeah, trading would test your patience, guys. If anything, trading would test your patience. That I can promise you. Okay, there they go. Now, there we go. Stay above that level. Stay above that level. Let price move away. Oh, man, why are you coming back into the range? Yeah, but you want this candle, as much as we broke above this level, this candle's coming back into the range. Move away from the range. Is there like news? Is there something coming out? Or why are they generating liquidity? There we go. Out of the range. Beautiful. So this low is protected. %50 of this range. Let's see something. So like I said, something's going to push price lower. There's a gap. So you always need to understand these. There's always something that's going to push price higher. But now this is a wick fill. See what I love about this is a wick fill. They're going to come fill that wick. This is what I love about a wick fill. They're going to come fill that wick. but we're safe. They won't take this low. They won't take this low. This low is safe. This low is safe. They might take this low, but they won't take this. Look at how they're retesting that order flow. Look at how they're retesting this order flow. They're bouncing off of that order flow. Look at that. See? Look at that wick fill. Told you. There's a wick fill. Boom. I love wick fills. I absolutely love wick fills. Love them. That trade's at 20,000 right, guys. One trade. Mm. 24,000, 27,000. Nice. Why, why are you only showing us winning trades, bro? Well, if we go through my history, I don't have losing trades. So if I had a losing trade, I would show it, but unfortunately, Voda, I don't. Yeah, we're going to get a retest at this level. We're buying. Going to get a retest at this level to this high, guys. A retest of this level to this high. We're going to retest that order flow. This order flow. Going to retest this order flow. Mm. That fair value gap would have been your entry. This would be your entry to this high. That's a 3.5 to 1. I'm buying a 1 lot. I'm on my third scalp, just listening to Marco and doing the candle wicks like he taught us. Candle wicks. It's not wicks, but candle wick, yeah. Remember that every candle, there's always going to be a candle fill. So if there's candles like this, they're going to be filled. Get me? Candles like this are going to be filled. Candles like this are going to be filled. Right? Where there are wicks, there's going to be filling. Okay? So always understand that.
Clear what? Clear what?
I understand why. See?
Hmm?
Yeah, I understand the good.
Mhm.
Yeah, man. After.
You're gonna solid trade now.
Push up.
Yeah.
Push up.
Yeah, 100%.
Our energy. Come on, give us energy in the chat for this trade to go up. I know if you don't give energy, it's gonna push up.
Give the energy, guys. It's going to push it.
Make a call to Donald Trump. Here. Call Donald Trump.
Let me just call Donald Trump quickly. Just give me a second, guys. I have to find his number.
Yeah, you have it.
Yeah, I have his number.
Okay, call it. Just call it. Okay. Okay. Just tell him to send liquidity in for long. It takes long to answer, bro. Yo.
Yo, Donald, what's up, bro? Bro, what the hell's going on with the market, bro? Like, what the hell, bro? Like, you gotta put liquidity in, bro. Like, yeah, man. Telling like a fool here. We got to tell him to buy. Like, do something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it, bro. Do it. Do it, bro. Do it. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, you got me, right? Cool. All right, cool. Right. That was Donald, and he's gonna push it, guys. He's gonna push it. He's gonna push it. He's just waiting for the suckers, which are obviously the new buyers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, even for the new buyers to get involved in. Right.
Okay. Perfect. Let's get it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Donald's coming through for us. Donald coming through. There we go. Donald he's putting in the orders, man.
Yo, Donald
is doing the things, bro. Donald is doing the things now.
Yo, Donald
is doing the things. You see? I caught Donald and look at that. We caught Donald and look at that.
Yo.
Look at that. We caught Donald.
Donald
coming through. Donald coming through.
Pub Cruise. Drop Pub Cruise in the chat, guys. Let's go.
Donald coming through. Coming with a Donald also got to liquidate a few people. I understand. But I mean, he came through. Let's go.
Give me eating to Sayama today.
Donald coming through. 39,000. Let's go. Let's go.
Pub cruise, man.
Cruise.
Pub cruise. Pub cruise. Pub cruise. Yo.
Yeah. Let's go.
We can call it now. We leave him on a hot note.
Yeah, it was definitely it was this order flow that I was waiting for them to break the order flow. You see this order flow here?
Mm-hmm.
That order flow there. So this is the first order flow that they tested. That would have been an entry. Second order flow that they tested. And that was the next entry. So now here's the next order flow that we will test. Let's go.
on next week Wednesday,
Yeah.
they're gonna have profit accounts for $10, bro.
Profit account.
That's someone can get a profit account for $10.
Did you tell them?
Like you can tell them.
Oh, guys, so news just came in. We're gonna have prop firm accounts for $10. What?
$10, yeah.
That's crazy.
Someone can get like a 25,000 for $10.
25,000 rand account for $10. I'm gonna give some away. How many are we giving away?
Hmm?
How many $10 accounts are we giving away?
They're not giving away. They must buy for $10.
It's only $10.
It's only $10.
It's literally $10.
Buy it.
But it's only gonna be for 1 hour.
It's
For
only
one
for
hour.
1
Like
hour.
only for 1 hour.
Oh, for 1 hour.
Yeah, we just wanna like push so people can actually taste it, get to payouts and see, like they get see it. So we want to give something to the community. So it's like, you know what? It's even $10. Imagine how people will be buying for 25,000 and
Yeah, no.
you must find all those traders. So
Yeah.
so it's only for an hour, basically.
And they must use our link.
Yeah, you can on the stream, yeah, basically. Next week 11th Wednesday,
Next week 11th, guys.
for 1 hour straight. Imagine you can commit capital. See your story as well. Updates. I'm gonna cook, bro. I hope they're gonna make the mistake. They may make use of it, bro. I want this movie to win. They mustn't just watch you trade. They must
Yeah.
they must.
That's why I don't. What I don't do is I don't spoon feed them. I tell them, listen, they can already see I'm getting in.
Yeah,
Like, I'm entering here. You can enter with me.
100%. But make money.
100%.
Yeah. Really, people are paying crazy amounts of money for this, and they're getting it for free. So
25, 20, 10, yeah, 25K for
$10.
$10.
It's literally like 160.
That's like 160.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy. We were fighting not to. We were like, nah, the must we give it. I was like, they were like, actually, just the outlook community, man. Let's just pull him. Because we give them a free stream. They get trades here on the stream. They see what's happening. And plus, they can get the accounts. So they can make the money.
Yeah, I'll buy one of those for $20.
$10, it's crazy, you know? And they can only buy one account. You can't buy more than that. Because some people do, they buy like crazy amounts of 25,000, and then you look at now we're having people buying $1 million worth of accounts for $10. So it's crazy. So we just make it one per person. Yeah.
There you see they're testing that. See, look at that. They're testing that order flow. And then they also have this order flow here. I always tell people like this is all order flow. But the fact that you see, The fact that they broke this high, this low is protected. They wouldn't attack this level. Oh, maybe they're testing this order flow again. Again? You guys have tested it. Watch when I reject off it. You've been testing this order flow. Jeez, man. I need to test it again. Oh, there they go. I love testing order flow. But if you really wanted to just go off, do you know that if you just wanted to go off something, hey?
Mm-hmm.
If you just wanted to go off any like something, you would go off order flow. It works all the time, like for that. Order flow. Order flow. How crazy is this, right? Look at this. The last bit of order flow. Order flow. And then if you understand structure, there's so many ways to, oh man, there's so many ways to kill this market, eh? There's so many ways. Supply, demand. So many ways. This wick fill. This is not CRT, guys. There was no CRT here. We're not running a 4-hour candle. We're running liquidity. We're literally running buy side and sell side liquidity. That's what we're doing. So if they take the buy side liquidity, then we can look for the sell side liquidity to be ran. We're not looking at oh no, the call was made to Trump. There we go. Call was made to Trump. There's no need to make another call. The call was made to Trump. Trump said, yeah, he's going to take a few of the buys out. Tens, do you understand what a CRT is? I feel like these people don't understand what CRT is.
Are you done with your trade?
Say goodbye.
Yeah, it's 6 already. Let's go.
You just went to Shizanyama.
Yeah, today I haven't eaten in a long time. I'm very hungry today.
Oh, you're hungry.
And I ate breakfast now.
Yeah. Did you see the new look? Did you see his new look?
No, not ready yet. It's a good look.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
CRT is not AMD. It's not. What you're doing, right? CRT is basically you running off of a range. So let's say I have a 4-hour candle. Right? My main 4-hour candle, or any 4-hour candle. I'll make an example, right? You have a 4-hour candle, right? Then, yeah, but what is okay, but simple, explain candle range theory. You're running from internal to external liquidity. That's all you're doing, right? You're running from internal to external. So I'll be looking at a 4-hour time frame, but a 15-minute chart. And what am I doing? Let's say this is a 4-hour candle, right? I'll make an example. Let's say this was a 4-hour candle, right? This was my 4-hour candle. And I got involved, let's say, over. Yeah, so remember, your wick is a manipulation, right? Your wick is the manipulation. I'm just making an example. Your wick is the manipulation. Then you get your expansion. Understand? So it's one of those it's one of those where, as much as it's not really AMD. The reason it's not really AMD is because it's more like what they would call turtle soup, where you get a run on liquidity and then price pushing up. So we're taking maybe a 4-hour low, right? As we're sweeping a 4-hour low just to take the 4-hour high, something like that. So that's basically what it is. So you're basically running from internal to external. Basically like that.
No, I just asked me if to drop Volgo in the chat if they want the discount to happen.
Oh, if
they really want us to do it, then we'll do it. We must drop Volgo in the chat. They want the $10 for 25,000. Right?
If you want a $10 account, guys.
No, not $10 account. We want a 25,000.
You want $25,000 account for 10 rand.
For 10 rand.
For $10. Drop BOGO.
Drop BOGO in the chat. Let's see.
Drop BOGO in the chat. Let's see. And then let's see what happens. Yes, it's a Judas swing. But take profit was hit. No, not yet. Almost. Testing order flow once again. These people in testing order flow, okay? They love testing buying order flow. Okay? Just love it.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, look at that.
Yo,
Donald Trump. Look at Donald Trump.
Yo, Donald Trump. Yo, just put the where you went long again. Just put the long tool again. Where you went long.
We went long.
Yeah, just to show them when we went long. It was right there, and yeah. Just put the long tool. That tool. Yeah, the tool that the long one. Yeah.
I told you Donald Trump would come through.
Yo. Beautiful, man.
24 to 1.
Beautiful.
80K. 83. I'll close at 90.
Beautiful.
I'm up.
Bogo. They must go Bogo now. Drop a hello lot of Bogos in the chat then. Now they need to go for bonkers.
Yeah, now they need to go. So remember now, it's simple. We're going from internal liquidity to external liquidity. So here's your 50-minute high. We've taken it. So the next sweep is over here. But anyway, I'm happy. 85, I'm good, yeah.
Yeah, tell them take profit. Goodbye, guys.
Take profit was a long time ago. That's what I made, guys. I hope y'all made money. 155,000. And yeah. Anyway, guys, take profit was hit. Take profit was hit. We hit like a 25 to 1, which is insane. That was fun. Thanks to all the haters. Appreciate you guys. Alex is hungry. Let's go get food.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, I'm out. I will see you Thursday and Friday.